I'm sure you've heard the tales of mighty heroes and their bold feats. But have you ever heard the story of Luna, the dog who became a legend one stormy night? In a cozy village hugged by rolling hills, there lived a dog named Luna. She wasn't just any pup. She had a mind sharp as a tack and a nose that could guide you home in a blizzard. One wild, windy night, the town doctor got caught in a thicket, desperate to reach a family awaiting their newest member. That's when Luna leapt into action. With the rain pelting and the thunder roaring, she traced the doctor's steps, leading him through the dark woods with nothing but her instinct. And just in the nick of time, as the first cries of a newborn filled the air, Luna stood watch, ensuring the night ended with a miracle. And from that day on, every time the wind howls, folks remember Luna, the dog with the spirit of a giant. Because sometimes heroes don't wear capes, they wear collars.